Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient tool to cut through metal like a hot knife through butter, a plasma cutter is an invaluable addition to your workshop. These machines utilize a high-temperature ionized gas stream to cleanly and precisely sever various types of metals, making them a popular choice for metalworking professionals and enthusiasts alike. To help you make an informed decision, we've curated a list of the top 5 best plasma cutters available in the market. Whether you're a seasoned welder or just starting out, our selection includes a range of options to suit different needs and budgets. Join us as we explore the leading models in the world of plasma cutters, each offering unique features and capabilities that set them apart from the rest. From portability to cutting power, we've got you covered with the top choices in the realm of plasma cutting technology. Number 5. KEMAO Cut 100M Plasma Cutter. First off, the KEMAO Cut 100M is a powerful and reliable plasma cutting machine. With a rated current of 100 A and an input voltage of 380 V, it provides a stable and consistent power supply, which is crucial for achieving clean and precise cuts. I've used it on various materials, including steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, and it has consistently delivered exceptional results. One of the standout features of this cutter is its ability to cut through thick materials with ease. I've used it to cut through 1-inch steel plates, and it went through them like a hot knife through butter. The quality of the cuts is outstanding, with minimal dross and a smooth finish. This level of precision has greatly improved the quality of my work and reduced post-processing time. The KEMAO Cut 100M is also easy to operate. It has a straightforward interface and controls, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The clear and concise user manual provided with the machine helped me set it up and get started in no time. I also appreciate the durable build quality, which gives me confidence in its long-term reliability. Number 4. HITBOX HBC 5500 Plasma Cutter. The HITBOX HBC 5500 boasts a compact and robust design with dimensions of 425,255,305 mm and a weight of 8.5 kg. Its build quality is impressive, making it easy to transport and store. The device is well constructed and feels durable, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of regular use. One of the standout features of this plasma cutter is its user-friendly interface. It's not a smart device, but its straightforward controls and clear labeling make it easy to set up and operate. The single-phase 220 V input voltage is standard, and the 20 A rated input current means it can be used with common power sources. The HITBOX HBC 5500 truly shines when it comes to performance. With a rated output current of 60 A, it can effortlessly cut through a variety of materials, including carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. I was particularly impressed with its clean cutting capability, which can slice through up to 1/2 12 mm of material with precision. The maximum clean cut thickness of 1/2 12 meters and a maximum breaking thickness of 3/5 21 mm make this plasma cutter suitable for a wide range of applications. Number 3. ANDELI Cut 50Y PROX Plasma Cutter. The ANDELI Cut 50Y PROX boasts a sturdy and robust construction. It feels well built and designed to withstand the rigors of regular use. The compact dimensions 430,175,265 mm make it easy to store and move around the workshop. The machine's red and black color scheme adds a touch of professionalism to my workspace. The primary function of this plasma cutter is cutting, and it excels in this aspect. With a rated current of 45 A and an input voltage of 220 V, it delivers consistent and clean cuts on various materials, including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. The precision of the cuts is remarkable, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of projects. One of the things I appreciate about the ANDELI Cut 50Y PROX is its user-friendliness. The controls are intuitive, and the setup process was straightforward. The clear interface and well-labeled knobs and buttons make it easy for both beginners and experienced users to operate. Safety is paramount when dealing with a plasma cutter, and the ANDELI Cut 50Y PROX doesn't disappoint. Number 2. ANDELI Cut 50D Plasma Cutter. The ANDELI Cut 50D has a robust and sturdy construction, which gives it a durable feel. The device is compact and portable, making it easy to move around my workshop as needed. The blue and black color scheme adds a touch of modernity to the overall design. The unit's cooling system works efficiently, preventing overheating during prolonged usage. One of the standout features of the ANDELI Cut 50D is its high-frequency HF arc start method. This makes starting the plasma arc a breeze, and it consistently delivers clean, precise cuts on a variety of metals. I've used it on steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, and the results have been consistently impressive. The 50/60 Hz frequency options offer flexibility depending on your power source, making it suitable for various working conditions. Setting up and using this plasma cutter is straightforward, even for those new to metal cutting. The included user manual provides clear instructions and safety guidelines. The device is also easy to adjust for different thicknesses of materials, thanks to the amperage control dial. It's worth noting that the Cut 50D is suitable for both professional use and D projects, thanks to its versatility and ease of use. Number 1. Herocut CUT55P Plasma Cutter. The CUT55P boasts a compact design, measuring 44 cm 28 cm 35.5 cm, making it easy to transport and store. Its robust construction ensures durability, and the sleek design adds a touch of professionalism to my workspace. The key feature that sets this plasma cutter apart is its remarkable performance. With a rated current of 50 amps and an input voltage of 220 V, it effortlessly slices through various materials, delivering clean and precise cuts. I was particularly impressed by its ability to cut through 12 mm thick materials at 220 V and 55 A, with 60 psi air pressure, and it can even sever materials up to 16 mm thick under the same conditions. The Plasma Arc Starting System HF and non-touch starting ensures smooth and efficient operation. The Herocut CUT55P is straightforward to operate, thanks to its user-friendly design. The included AG60P cutting torch provides excellent control and accuracy during cutting tasks. The input voltage frequency of 50/60 Hz allows for compatibility in various regions. However, a more detailed user manual could improve the user experience for those new to plasma cutting. Thanks for watching this video.